Bapak Ibu yang terpelajar, Assalamualaikum. Pada video kali ini kita lanjutkan materi pada buku Bahasa Inggris English in Mind Second Edition untuk kurikulum Merdeka. Nah, materi ini untuk siswa kelas 10 SMA atau SMK, di mana kita lanjutkan materi chapter 2, A True Friend. So, without any further ado, let's get started.
Unit 2, Exercise 1D. Read and listen to the story.
Gelert, the faithful dog. Prince Llewellyn was out hunting on his horse in the Welsh countryside. Back home, his newborn son was sleeping, as Gelert, his faithful dog, watched over him. While the prince and his men were riding through the forest, they heard loud barking coming from the direction of the house. The prince had a terrible feeling. He turned his horse around and galloped quickly home. When Prince Llewellyn walked through the door, Gelert was waiting for him. As soon as he saw his master, the dog jumped up to greet him with a huge smile on his face. The prince looked at Gelert. Something wasn't right. When he looked closer, he saw blood dripping from the dog's mouth and fur. Llewellyn ran into his son's bedroom. The cot was empty. The white sheets were covered in blood. The prince didn't think twice. He took his sword and swung it at the dog. Gelert looked at his master as if he didn't understand. Then, with a final whimper, he lay down and died.